Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Snapchat. We go to on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page here, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about the application of Telegram as you see, and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.